Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and challenging journeys you can embark on starting your own business. Whether you have a groundbreaking idea or you're simply looking to be your own boss, this video will guide you through the essential steps to get started. So, let's dive into the 5 steps to starting your own business. The first step in starting your own business is conducting thorough market research. This step is crucial because it helps you understand your industry, identify your target audience, and analyze your competition. Let's break it down further. Identify your industry. What sector does your business idea fall into? Tech, retail, food, services? Understand the current trends and future outlook of your industry. Understand your target audience. Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and preferences? Create customer personas to get a detailed picture of your ideal customer. Analyze your competition. Who are your main competitors? What are their strengths and weaknesses? What can you offer that's different or better than what's already available? Conducting market research provides you with valuable insights that can shape your business strategy and help you avoid costly mistakes. Now you have a clear understanding of the market. The next step is to develop a solid business plan. This document will serve as your roadmap, outlining your business goals and the strategies to achieve them. Here's what to include in your business plan. Executive summary. A brief overview of your business idea, mission statement, and goals. Company description. Detailed information about your business, including what you offer and what sets you apart. Our market analysis. Insights from your market research, including your target audience and competition. Organization and management. Your business structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation and key team members, products or services. A detailed description of what you're selling and the benefits to your customers. In marketing and sales strategy, how you plan to attract and retain customers. Financial projections, revenue forecasts, funding requirements, and an outline of your financial strategy. A well-thought-out business plan is not only essential for guiding your startup but also for attracting potential investors. Now that you have a business plan, it's time to secure financing. Most startups require some initial capital to get off the ground. Here are a few options to consider. Personal savings. Using your own money is the simplest and most straightforward way to fund your business. Friends and family. Borrowing from friends and family can be a viable option, but make sure to formalize the agreement to avoid any misunderstandings. Bank loans. Traditional bank loans are a common financing method, but they require a solid business plan and good credit. Investors. Angel investors and venture capitalists can provide significant funding in exchange for equity in your business. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow you to raise small amounts of money from a large number of people. Remember, it's important to choose a financing option that aligns with your business goals and repayment ability. With financing in place, it's time to make your business official by registering it. This process varies depending on your location and the type of business structure you've chosen. Here are the general steps. Choose a business name. Pick a unique and memorable name that reflects your brand. Register your business name. Depending on your location, this may involve registering with the state, county, or city. Get a tax identification number. This is required for tax purposes and can be obtained from the IRS. Register for state and local taxes. Depending on your business type, you may need to register for sales tax, payroll tax, etc. Apply for licenses and permits. Check what licenses and permits are required for your industry and location. Registering your business legally establishes it and protects your brand. Step 5. Set up your business operations. The final step is to set up your business operations. This involves organizing the day-to-day activities that will keep your business running smoothly. Here's what you need to do. Set up your business location. Decide whether you'll operate from home, rent an office space, or run a retail store. Purchase equipment and supplies. Identify and acquire the necessary tools, equipment, and supplies needed for your business. Hire employees. If you need staff, start the hiring process early. Make sure to follow all legal requirements for employment. Set up accounting systems. Implement accounting software or hire an accountant to manage your finances. Establish your online presence. Create a professional website, set up social media profiles, and start building your online presence. Setting up your business operations effectively ensures that you can deliver your products or services efficiently and professionally. And there you have it, the 5 essential steps to starting your own business. Remember, starting a business is a challenging yet rewarding journey. By conducting thorough market research, developing a solid business plan, securing financing, registering your business, and setting up your operations, you'll be well on your way to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.